Hey folks, Mark with Guarantee RV. Today I'd like to show you this Catalina bumper puller toy hauler. It's 35 feet long. Let's go inside and take a look. You got the nice sturdy solid step stairs that everybody likes. Grab handle. Okay, so you got a nice big kitchen area. Here we have the U-shaped dinette. Table will convert down to make a bed, which is very beneficial for extra sleeping guests. Lots of counter space, double sink. Love these kinds of faucets. You've got 3-burner Furion stove, oven, microwave, nice wood cabinets, lots of storage area for the kitchen food and items like that. Here's your refrigerator. Got big fridge space, big freezer space, more storage space here. Back over here you have the TV and the stereo system. It's a nice looking unit. Storage above, storage below. Back here you have the bedroom, and we've got an extra table sitting here right now. But you've got a nice queen bed. You've got doors on both sides to close off. You got more storage on each side. It's a walk-around bed, which most people want. Going back this way, we have a complete bathroom in here. You got a bath, a shower, a sink, the cabinets. And a lot of these units don't have actual baths, so that's a bonus there. Here's the garage. Technically, a garage is a toy hauler area that can be closed off. So you've got these convert to couches. They strap out of the way. This folds down for an extra bed. This is a patio in the back, so you can load your rigs on the patio, or it can go flat with railing that goes around it. Extra storage. Fanned vent, air conditioning, heating, the whole thing is all set up. You got a back door. Let's go out here. Got an electric awning, marine grade outdoor speakers. These Catalina awnings have blue LED lights behind them, which looks really pretty. Up here you have some pass-through storage along with your electrical cord for any park you might be in. Up front you've got double propane tanks and an electric jack. It's a great unit, folks. Come on down. It's a one of a kind. It's the time to go out and have fun. Come see Mark at Guarantee RV.